Hello guys, today we're gonna make React app tutorial. First of all, we should install React app downloader. For this, we should write npm install -g create React app. Once it's downloaded, we should write npx create React app React tutorial YouTube. Once it's downloaded, we will write npm install framer. Right, so we have to make cd React tutorial YouTube npm start. It started, we are seeing it. So this is our React app. For default, we should delete that. Control C, Control X, Control have the app.css. So we have to make a new file, which is gonna be animation.jsx. We can import React from React, semicolon, import motion from framer-motion. Alright, so we're gonna make function. Let me make it bigger. Function animation braces. We should write return, don't forget that. I'm forgetting that. Motion.div for make it animated with framer.motion library. Motion.div, which its value is gonna be initial. Let's make it scale 0. Initial is the first value of it. It's gonna be scale 0 when the page loads or refreshes. And for animated, we're gonna write animate equals curly braces twice, scale 1. And we're gonna write transition curly braces again, and it's gonna be stiffness, which is gonna be 540, and damping is gonna be 20, and let's make it look better. And let's say type spring. Let's make it type spring. Export that. Export default animation. And we have to get that animation. Import animation from /animation.jsx. And we have to write that with animation like it's a HTML component slash, and give it some index. So we have to write, let's delete all of that and write to here, body background is gonna be black, and class name div, right? That div width, let's give it a width property, 100 pixels. Height is gonna be 100 pixels also, and background color is gonna be white. Let's write WhileHover scale 1.2. Let's write something inside of it. Motion .h1. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's make it full screen. When we hover it, its scale is being 1.2 and it's bouncing with the effect of spring type. When we delete that, it's not gonna bounce anymore. Let's see. Yeah, you see, it's not bouncing, it's just coming and going. I'm gonna delete that, and we have gave it a class name which is any div. We will give it border radius, which is gonna be 1 m. Yeah, okay, now we are going to make it scale 1.2 and rotate 45 degrees. As you see, it rotates. Let's take it to center of the page. So we have to make it width 100 SVW, height 100 SVH, overflow hidden, display flex, align item center, justify content center, text align center. Yeah, as you see, it's rotating. Make 95. Let's make 90. Right, let's write no need to motion h1 card. It's gonna write it to the right. Yeah, let's rotate it 360. Refresh. Yeah, it's too much. So then no need to rotate. It's good if we rotate it a little bit, but to the left, right. Okay, card 1. Let's write card 1. So let's make another div which is gonna be the parent element of the cards. Let's take all of that and let's close that div, and let's copy the card 2. Yeah, we have to make it row. We have to give the class name, which is gonna be parent div dot parent div is gonna be display flex, align item center, justify content center, text align center, and flex direction row. Yeah, as you see, it's there inside of them. For look that, we have to write width is gonna be 50%, and height is going to be auto. So 50% is a little bit small, make it 100% and make it justify content space evenly. Yeah, 100% is small, also make it 50 SVW. Okay, so now we have our card 1 and card 2, and they are rotating and scaling. Let's make card 2 to rotate right, left, right. Actually, we can do this, animate nothing and scale 0.2. It's smaller. When I hover it, it's getting bigger. Okay, when I make stiffness bigger value, like 1000, it's gonna be faster. Let's make it 100 to see the difference. As you see, it's more slow. Let's make it 250. Yeah, it's okay. So we could make something like width 15% and height 100%. Height 100% is not gonna work because we gave height auto to parent element. Percent is working as parent element value. It's 20% is getting 50 SVWs, 20%, 25%. So it's being like when it equals to 100 pixels, this is going to be 25 pixels. Let's delete. So I'm gonna make height 10 SVW. Yeah, as you see, let's get a font family. From Google Fonts. I have already added a font family to my card. Let's copy that. To make it active, we have to come to public and index.html. Let's paste that. We can close that. And what was our font name? Meriwether. Copy. Let's paste it to here, font family, Meriwether. Yeah, as you can see, our card 1 is here and our card 2 is here. Batman JPG, okay. So we have to move that to here. We don't have to actually, but it's much easier. Image source /batman.jpg. It's not showing up. Let's import Batman from /batman.jpg. Right, it's okay. Now we have to give it a class name. Class name is going to be Batman. Let's close it. We can close it also. And let's make it Batman. Its width is going to be, or height is going to be 100% of the parent element, which is any div. Yeah, now we can make its height auto. If we do that, we should rewrite height as width. Okay, now it looks good. We have to make it object fit cover, and that any div h1 is gonna be position absolute, and the index 5, let's make position relative, and margin top -2m. Alright, border radius is gonna be the same, which is 1m. And its height is auto, width is 25%. Let's make its margin 0 and padding 0. Copy that and make it to h1 also. Of course, before the top. And okay, let's make it color gray, and actually let's make it to animation. We have to make it motion.h1 and initial color black, animate. Of course, let's get it to animate color gray, and transition is gonna be stiffness 540, damping 20, type spring again, and WhileHover, let's make its color white. Let's copy that, paste it to motion.h1 and paste. But not hovering the h1. I have to make it like rotate -15, and color it's gonna be white. Okay, let's give it transition property, transition 0.2 as is. Right, let's not rotate that. Let's make its name not card1, Batman. Font size, not font size, font weight, lighter, Batman. And let's give it text shadow. Text shadow is gonna be 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 0.3 m, 0.2 m, black. Alright, Batman. Import Joker from joker.jpg and copy that, paste, image source Joker plus name. Let's make Batman of Joker. Let's make it Joker instead of card 2. Let's write each one, or let's give the class name or from family. What was that? Meriwether. From no font weight bolder, color white. Let's take a look. Batman or Joker. As you can see, that color is changing when I hover the card, and this color is changing when I hover the text. It's because of I write the hover to div on that one. You can see color white and text shadow black, but I write the hover to h1 on this, which is color white. Let's move it to here to see the difference. Color white. I have to make it inherit, which is taking the value of the parent element. Yeah, it works, as you can see. Let's make it scale 1 to you to see. You can see it. Batman or Joker. Alright, that was the end of the tutorial. We see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment what tutorial you want.